Potter's Journal. We're going to do a kiln opening today. Okay, with some what I'll call signature pots. I've been doing a lot of slipware. I've moved my name to the front of the pot. Here is a Thomas Toff piece from the 16th, 17th century. I don't know. His name is huge all over the front of the pot. Can we get away with that today? It's on all our clothing, although Old Navy, that's hardly anything to brag about. Okay, don't worry, this is not another book review. We will see what's in the kiln today. Where do you sign your pieces? Or do you use a stamp or a seal? Are you an unknown craftsman? Let me know. Okay, so let's see what's in the kiln today. Just in time for Valentine's Day month. Okay, the February 14th already happened. It is still the last week of February. I have a farm market tomorrow, even though you might not see this until, March. But look at this. This is absolutely perfect. Perfect little heart batter bowls. If not in time for Valentine's Day month, we can make pancakes for single serve, few serve maple syrup month. And when I first opened the kiln, I'm thinking, look at that picture. That is absolutely perfect. I will be able to sell these with ease, except for the fact that this is not at all what they were supposed to look like. Okay, these were supposed to have, if you can look in there, there was a black slip in there. A black slip, and they were all supposed to have either a wavy or I wasn't sure about a heart inside of a heart, so I put a black slip in the bottom and one line in there. But it does not show up at all. Now, let me see if there's one about here that shows what they're supposed to look like. Oh, here it is. This is what they were supposed to look like. Now, what happened? It's the exact same black slip. I just don't get it. So, now, this is a total fail, except for the fact that I could probably sell every single one of these with ease. And I will go through here because I didn't use calipers or measure things, but I will go through and make several nesting pairs. So, and I used to sell a lot of these when I was doing the blue and gray crock type things. And I will have to say, the little one I demoed for a little girl at a festival who said, make a heart. She was like 3 years old or something. And when they get to be this size, the adorable factor comes into it. And there is something about it that is just hard to resist. So, total fail, total fail. These should sell with ease. Okay, and do try these in your own studio. Okay, simple bowl. I wanted to demo this, but I didn't get around to it. I'll just pull down there and pull in there. Oh, I don't believe it. This is the next shelf down. And there, I've got it. So, it's not the... I just glazed this pot. So, it's not the thickness of standard ceramic sea mist, because it's the exact same thickness as the heart batters. But maybe this pot was made last fall. Maybe it's the thickness of the black slip. It might have been a lot thicker. So, oh, how do we figure it out? Okay, and these are, okay, no, they are not ashtrays. They are little garlic oil grater dipping with for bread plates. For hopefully, somebody who sells olive oil at the market. He got my things last year, so I might have, a good client that could sell a whole stack of these. Now the question is, does a good green olive oil work on a green plate, or when for marketing, might they look like you want it to look with the oil on and help to sell the piece? Okay, and then these are my slipware plates, and I could not be more pleased. I had fails for like a whole year trying to do this on a redware clay because I didn't have a slip and a glaze and a clay that matched up. Finally I realized I had a stoneware clay called hazelnut brown and a green glaze of my own that would make beautiful stoneware slipware. And these are two more traditional, Pennsylvania patterns. I will say inspired by English slipware, but very typical Pennsylvania pieces. And I decided, since these are pieces that are going to command a higher amount of money, that they would have my signature right on the front, as did Giant, some of the slipware. In a book review I did recently, the guy's signature was huge. Okay, let's see what we've got further down. Okay, so this next shelf, now this is one from the first kiln load of the year where the sea mist was too thin. I thickened it up. Also, this one was glazed on the same day, so I just double dipped it before firing it. So this one doesn't show the wavy lines incised in there, but another one of those, very marketable fail pots. Okay, and the olive bowl, little oil bowls. These are also hopefully for the olive oil guy. Here again with the black slip that maybe I need to thicken up a bit. And here it is with my greeny glaze. Then we come to, my contemporary slipware pieces. The Rogue pots. And once again, I could not be more pleased. I am glad that over the past year or so it's been trying to figure out how to do my slipware and giving up on doing it with the hi-fi or earthenware, that I was working small, so that actually my fails are the prototype designs for these. And since I like the designs and the fails actually look beautiful, I'm glad to still have them and keep them. And here we got our punks, and there we go. So I could not be more pleased enough so that we put our signature right on the front of the plate. Now, how will that go over when selling them? Well, it seems like everybody's got a name of who made every piece of their clothing all over it. And moving down, more of the heart batter bowls, this time in a bigger size. Again, if I can find a video where I show, I don't know that I could fit it in here, but I meant to show. It's just a matter of, pushing the regular bowl like that and that. But, more stuff for Valentine's Day month. The little heart pitchers. Here's the Rogue heart pitchers. Here's the one for the vodka. Most people would say cream or syrup. So we're looking for a whole new market for these things. Let's see what else is in here. And with the bird. A slipware bird. Oh, looks like my stamp's on that side this time. And the heart. And there is the slipware signature, just done with a needle tool. And what else is here? I like the tulips radiating around the whole side of the pot. Well, it looks like they start in the back and work to the front. One going up, one going down, one going up. Okay, so just in time for Valentine's Day month. Okay, it looks like we don't have any rogues on the little heart pictures, but the tulip and heart again. Okay, so I've got a glaze I like, and I've got a technique I like, and it's working, consistently firing after firing. There is absolutely no reason to fight it. I am just going to go with it. A lot of potters, I think, just try it or keep changing it up too much and don't stay on what works for them, like the Pittsburgh mugs. And this is the barrel mug again that I did the Pennsylvania or Pittsburgh mugs all in large, and somebody requested a small one, so I said okay in the new year. So hopefully I can catch up with him at the farm market, and this and a few more. We'll find out. And I reached in out of the bottom. Okay, some of the very marketable fails. You can just barely tell that there was a black slip in the bottom of these that I swiped through. So on the rest of these, I will make sure that they're glazed in one glaze and then dip the rims so that we'll have a layered thing happening. Since I know the slip, okay, didn't work. At least it didn't bubble up or anything like problems. So, yeah, most marketable fails. Now, the little pictures I'm not happy with, that they just look like something didn't happen the way it was supposed to. But there was only 2 of these in there, so I will make sure I do something else with the rest. Okay, and let's see what else we've got. Okay, there are, we'll pull these all out, the Pittsburgh mugs, and these have all come out. One with, okay, so, yeah, there was a request, somebody said, do you have any that don't say Pittsburgh? They really liked the barrel-shaped mugs, as opposed to the ones that, yeah, I make, and there's a lot more to look at. They're a lot nicer. One more. Okay, so these are all absolutely perfect. And I think I saved 2 more of my slipware pieces, so we'll see what's in the bottom here. Maybe, okay, another one of the skull pots. I am so happy I did this. I decided that from now on, when I'm making anything, I can leave a few of them to do as my, okay, both traditional and contemporary slipware. Okay, we will look at those pots in some groupings, but first, okay, my new idea with the signature piece. This is what we've been taught, and I've been thinking a lot if that's good enough or right. Can you even make out that that's a JK? Sometimes we can. It works. If your name is Jeremy Leach, if, like me, your market is for a smaller area, a city region, or if you're a hobbyist giving to family and friends, okay, here, G-O-L-L-E-R, there's no question that that's a goller. And my scratch, 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 can you even make out that that's a Kohut? I think I'm glad I have both on there. And I'd like to know your thoughts. Now on this one, and this can be looked up quite easily, there's no question, this is a Rothshank. And I really wouldn't call them fails, and these here, okay, are pictures for success. Okay, as far as sales go, Pittsburgh and the hard batters, but here is where I am the most pleased. that I will make sure I do all of my stuff, every form I make now, in a little bit of slipware, and not worry about letting those traditional colors, the yellow and the red earthenware, be pushed to the back of the shelf. Okay, so stop back. Yes, there will be more hearts, okay, that are great for my market, but I promise you, there will be more rogue pots too.